Yes, anyone?
Yes, sir. What skills are most important for students pursuing careers in AI or ML?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my question was, what skills are most important for us, like students, who are pursuing careers in AI or ML?
Okay, so again, I'm going to show you this slide. Skills you need is Python, maths, data skills, machine learning. That's all. If you want, you can take screenshot of this, and that's all you need. Like even if you are applying for any offline masters, online masters, if you want to do self study or you want to apply for a job, all you need is this. That's all. Nobody is going to ask you something else other than that.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, I also have a question.
Yes.
Can AI replace human jobs or will create a more opportunities?
That is what I have explained in my presentation when I was talking about myths here. Uh, so definitely AI changing many more things, and many jobs are already gone, but the jobs which are gone are many repetitive type of jobs. You know, AI is a very powerful tool and you can use AI for our advantage. So the simple skills where we are not using a lot of human thinking, those jobs are taken care by AI now. But AI is also creating many more jobs which I have already told you, like machine learning engineer, AI researchers, prompt engineering, uh, all these type of jobs. So I would only say that it's better to learn AI or at least have a good knowledge of AI and whatever development is happening around us in the field of technology and AI. And if you are good with this, I think you are good. And recently I was discussing with a couple of my friends and my professors. So what my professor they told me, in 2026 or in this era, intelligent person is not the one who knows everything, who has knowledge of every single subject, but the smartest person is the one who knows how to use these AI tools wisely, how that person will make use of these tools to make its actual work in a very productive way and start taking advantage of it and save time in the part of learning or do something which will actually help and build that person's skills.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So basically, ma'am, we are not ending off in second year, and we are
Mm-hmm.
getting forward to towards third year.
Okay.
So we are looking for the internships. What are the minimum skills to land internships in third year, and which
uh,
website that provide internships?
I think there are so many websites. Honestly, as of now, I don't have a lot of knowledge about what websites are there online in India. But I think there are so many websites. Like on LinkedIn, also you can apply for internship. I remember when I was in India, I was using this website called Angel.co. This website is mostly for internship or any startup related jobs. um, I'm gonna share you a quick story about myself. So when I have completed my engineering in 2018, I was working with Infosys in communications. That time I was not a developer, but you know what I did, and then I wanted to switch that job because I was not enjoying this electronics and communication part. Then what I did, I learned everything from YouTube. I learned front end development, I learned JavaScript in 3 months from YouTube, and whatever knowledge I can, acquired online, I have built the project. And on LinkedIn, I have sent requests to many startup founders, and I keep publishing my work there. So they have seen that, I know something. And this is how I have achieved my first software developer job. And I think it's very important to build our profile and just be curious and active about this job search, rather than applying on 100 different places. Just apply for 10 job openings, but just be confident that the skills you already have are enough to get you a job. If you don't have enough skills and if you apply for thousands of job, I'm sorry, but you won't get that internship or that job. So just make yourself skill heavy, and try to understand every single concept, and try to be better at it, and try to build as many projects as you can. And I think for you it's very easy to apply internship in any platform you apply.
Thank you, ma'am. I have another one question. Can you please
Yes.
tell us how to get forward towards the global opportunities in this domain?
Um, yeah, so see, I've already explained that, it's very important to understand first how much time you have, how much money you have, and what you want to pursue. If you want to pursue masters, then you can look for offline masters or online masters. Again, like, what type of master's experience you have, in both the cases your syllabus is same, so what you're gonna learn is same, it's not different. It's just that only your experience was different, because in case of offline masters, you will sit at that classroom, and your professor will be standing in front of you explaining all the concept. If you are looking for online master, then you will be sitting at your home, using your computer you can learn those subjects. And there is other type which are certifications. So if you want to, and again, like, masters is very theoretical way of learning, so nobody is going to teach you how to code in Python or how to code in machine learning if you are pursuing masters. Coding part you have to do it by yourself, and you will learn lot of theory and lot of concepts in your master's program. But if you want to study to get a job and become better in this career, then I would say certifications are really good, because they only focus on what you need in industry, what industry expert actually use in the real world. So for those type of things, I think certification programs are really good. And nowadays all these things are available in almost all the universities online. Everyone has a different type of program, but I think almost every university offers all this.
Thank you again, ma'am. Can you please tell the process of for offline masters?
Uh, for offline masters, there is admission process. So you need your SOP, you need your letter of recommendation, and you need to apply for multiple institutions wherever you want to pursue your masters from. And yeah, that is a process. Sometimes you need GRE scores, but GRE scores are optional. Like, if you get really good GRE scores, then you will get that advantage. But even if you are not able to spend time and get GRE score, because I personally feel you will get GRE score, how much practice you gonna do. But if your practice is less, your GRE score is less. So there are few institute which are still accept application even if you don't have GRE. But if you have GRE, I mean, it's always better to add that GRE score. So yes, you need LOR, you need SOPs. LOR is letter of recommendation. SOP is your statement of purpose. Your GRE score. Here, if you want to apply for any course, the very important thing they see is how much prerequisite knowledge you have. For example, your knowledge for Python, your projects you have worked on. I think projects are extremely important. Other than that, if you have done any courses based on machine learning or AI, even if those courses are on Udemy or Coursera, and you have that certificate, all these things are really important, and that matters a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello,
You're
ma'am.
welcome. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I want to know for beginning entry level internship where we will get correct job post. Any website or job app?
I think internship is very beginning of your career. So don't look for the best internship. Just start working. I think getting internship is more important, and start working is more important for than looking for a better opportunity, because trust me, every single engineer wants to work in internship, like Google, uh, Meta, and many big companies, but you don't get always that great internship or job opportunity. So it's always better to start with the smaller one, and then keep progressing, keep learning, and definitely you will land to your dream job whenever time comes. But what is important is doing and learning.
Uh, Ma'am, can we get your email ID for future guidance?
Yes. Yeah, so here is my email ID. You can see in purple text. So if you want to connect on LinkedIn, you can send me message there, or this is my email ID. If you want to ask any questions or anything, you can just send email on this email ID.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
There is one question in chat box. Dheeraj,
Uh,
are you there, Dheeraj? Okay. He has asked DSA. Yeah.
okay, so Dheeraj, he is asking about DSA. So DSA is, again, it's important, but DSA is something you need to improve your problem solving skills, or yeah, that's all. I mean, in when you start working as a ML engineer or any AI related jobs, all you need is your Python skills, your ML coding skills, or if you are working on deep learning, then deep learning coding skills. You don't need DSA there. But to crack that interview, DSA is very important, because nowadays everywhere there are so many engineers. There are a lot of people applying for that same job opportunity, and a lot of competition. So companies, they need some filtering criteria, and DSA and system design is that criteria. So they usually think that you have spent enough time learning DSA. That means your problem solving skills are really good, your logic building is really good, and because of that they keep DSA and system design for your interview.
Yes, questions are over. Yeah, Manasvi. If no more questions, we'll go proceed for the vote of thanks.
Okay. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our speaker, Nidhi Dekate, for her insightful and inspiring session on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Your words have truly enhanced our knowledge and motivated us. I would also like to thank our respected HOD sir for organizing this seminar and for his constant support and encouragement. Also, we would like to thank to Anushka Joshi ma'am for her technical and YouTube live support. Lastly, I thank all the faculty members and students for their presence and participation. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you, Nidhi ma'am.
You are welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for inviting me, and it was pleasure being here and sharing my knowledge with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And,
Welcome.
have a good day.